Dang haki kindiat sngi uba ardan mela basayomod u President ka Voice of the People Party baru MLA ka Nongkram ulaong. Bagajing penlong tamasa ka sarkar ka long tangkum ki pain Kylla ki bapenja terhasipor ya ki jingpang ka jat benrio bat halor ka ni u Rakkam sangma u menteri badai kemi ya ka tanat puli puthi ka sarkar jella bat noilam ka National People's Party badon jia shrut bah bat ka VPP ulaong. Ba Imat lada ka VPP ka wan ha ka bor kanom Ailad Shuh iki samla don sap ha ka siaw Kyrwoh. Habakran si kilat pathai kubor haga janmit jong ka khandri trigunok pra arja arpusau u Rakkam ulaong bagajing wan u Brian Adams u Nongrwai bapau nam nari Canada ban wan tem ban wan roi sa Shillong kala penlong ka pathai borok kawai ban tip sapang kanong ba Shillong ka baju tip kum ka rock capital ulaong baki bahyeng niki paralok uba arden ki wan pet yo Brian Adams bar ki samla ki yo mensiam nalor ka don ru ka jingkiu ha ka yo ka kot.
I don't know what they means. Is it they don't like the music? So I, if I'm not wrong, their families, their friends, the supporter might have also joined the audience on the date day. Look at the larger figure, like the world-renowned artists like Brian Adams coming to Shillong and performing, and now it's gone worldwide, across the globe, that they have recognized that yes, the Brian Adams, one of the greatest of all the times, perform in Shillong. Where is Shillong? In India. Where is Shillong? In Northeast. Where is Shillong? It's in Meghalaya, right? So that what you call, we have the result. We have the objective. Of course, it has taken the Shillong to the greater height that we should have been doing. So I don't know whether they like music or not, but I've seen they also used to sing the song, right? So that means if they form the government, if one day if they dreams to form the government, they will not allow artists and any like Shillong Chamber not to perform in the state. We should allow. I don't think so. This is something which is, I think this that does not sound good for the young people of our state. So at least look, there are many young people of our state wants to become somebody. I have become a politician today because why? Because I met during my 6-7 years old. I met Captain W. once when I was very very small. That day I thought I should become a politician one day. Maybe that same story will be to every young people of our state. So looking at the Brian Adams, I don't know the names of the great singers. Like I wish I should be part of the Shillong Chamber Choir, who will be presenting in America, Japan, London, anywhere in the world, right? So I think what they said is something doesn't sound good for the state because we are the capital of the rock capital of the country, right? Rock capital of the country. So I think rather I wish we should have more, even greater than Brian Adams. I wish, and I should be given to perform also, right? If I perform in such a state, will people come to listen? Nobody. If Rakkam Sangma perform in the polo ground, will somebody come to Shillong? Will our hotel will be filled? Nobody here. And during Brian Adams concert, every hotels are full, every concert are full, every vehicles are full. Our shopkeeper, hotel, restaurant, taxi are all full. They have got support. Lots of from Assam, they come here. The petrol from Meghalaya, they have used, right? So the wine from Meghalaya, the bidi cigarette from Meghalaya, everybody consume, right? So they have come across the Northeast just to invest, right? They have not taken out from our state. They have been invested. Those things is connected. It's not only about the music, right?
So are you saying that once VPP will be in power, that they'll stop all such festivals?
It sounds so, right? That means in case if by miracle, I don't know, if they come to the power, that means they will not allow the artists to perform in Shillong. So this is doesn't sound good, and this is very very the discourage agenda and the message and the objective which the young people of our state will not agree with. So I think this is something, I don't know, should not debate today. Somebody at this generation somebody at this generation disliking, not approving the world artists coming to Shillong. Something I don't. There is something that should not come in and to be discussed like this also. So this is very unfortunate to say so. Where every citizen of the Shillong love to listen, love to see. So tomorrow if the what you call Ronaldo and what you call Messi, the Brazilians come to play, they will not allow, right? Hence, look, not only about education. Look, we need what you call the inspiration. There is a saying, so some medical teacher used to elaborate, right? A good teacher explain, right? All things, but great teacher inspire. So like this great musicians, artists will inspire the young generation about state. That's what we want. I think rather they should give some more idea how to promote instead of objecting and opposing to this kind. They should appreciate. They should say, I was expecting, thanks to the MD government, Conrad Samagam and Pauling for tourism minister for bringing such a great high-end quality artist to the state. They should appreciate. But rather, it is unfortunate they have opposed to this. So this is something not to the tunes of the young people Shillong sing.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya